Papa D, I'm going to be making some sausage gravy. Got potatoes boiling for home brown, hash browns, or home fries. We're going to have scrambled eggs. This is June 16th. I'm making breakfast, one of my famous breakfasts. We'll keep you showing how we do. We peeled about 3 potatoes, and we had I think it's 1 pound package of sausage. Yeah. So, there we go. I got some, they call it natural sausage. So we'll see how we do. Coffee's already done. We'll be having coffee in a minute. We're using a little olive oil for the potatoes. I don't know how big a pan, but a little fry pan there I like to use. And then we'll throw some butter and salt and pepper on there, and we'll be ready to roll. Not very greasy sausage, so I threw extra butter in there. I'm going to end up with like a white sauce. Potatoes are just about ready to go on the pan. I threw some butter over there along with the olive oil. This is how I make my white sauce. I get a little bit of flour. Just today I'm going to do it with the meat in there. Sometimes I make it without the meat in there. But you need butter. That's in there. And then we stir that around to get it all around in there. Boy, I don't know. Got my potatoes. I gotta turn down. I'll be putting them over here real quick. So we stir it around. Get things coated up pretty good. Alright. And we use milk in there to make gravy or a white sauce or something. Depending on how much flour I put in there, how thin I want that. The thinner you make it, the better it is sometimes, depending on what you're doing. In a few minutes, that's going to all turn to good stuff. Alright, be right back. I threw a little more butter in there. Got my potatoes over there. I want that a little thinner, so I'm going to throw a little more milk in there. I don't believe I need any more flour. I put quite a bit of flour in there, but I want it thinner, so we're going to, that's how I thin it out. I don't know if it's right or wrong or whatever, but that's what I do. And we may top this off with a little bit of pepper. I am not sure yet, but then I use this spoon to put the potatoes over there out of the bowl of water. We're letting the potatoes fry up a little bit. This is one of my typical weekend breakfasts I like to make. You might say it's my turn in the kitchen. I usually eat oatmeal in the morning, but today we're going to have sausage gravy, potatoes, and eggs and toast. So there we go. Alright. As you can see, oh maybe you can't. There you can. I threw just a little bit of pepper in there. Just shook a little bit, just to put a little spice in it. Same with my potatoes. Now I think I'm going to do one thing different. Put a little seasoning salt on the potatoes. Today we're using canola oil in there. Sometimes I use butter, sometimes I use olive oil. Poured enough in there to coat the pan. I actually think I got too much in there, but it'll work out. So we're warming that up to cook our eggs. There's my eggs. A little pepper, a little seasoning, salt. Definitely got too much oil in the pan today, so we'll make it do. Don't flip them over, make them easy. There's my eggs. This one's over easy. I wanted to show you what it looked like. This was the other side before I flipped it on the other egg. Oh boy, we're getting some good eating here now. I've been tasting the gravy. It tastes really good over my white sauce. Potatoes are done. Sausage is done. Our eggs are done. We're going to be putting it all together in a second.
Go.
Alright, I'm going to put my plate together. Got my sourdough bread, my eggs. Now, you might want to come in a little closer. I'm going to put my sausage gravy on my toast. Just like that. Watch this. I'm going to go like that. A little more sausage gravy. And then we're going to take a few potatoes. Put it on there. Just like that. Oh, gotta have more than that. Good enough. A little more sausage gravy. That's a Papa D's breakfast there on a weekend. Okay, I'm going to go over and try it out. Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it. My goodness gracious.
Smile.
If I did it any better, I'd have to market it.
Look at me, smile.
Okay, if you like what you see, please subscribe and hit that like button. We'll send you more videos. Thank you, everybody. Have a good weekend. Father's Day's weekend.